Okay. Hey guys, welcome to MicroBattles. And 5 out of 12. Okay, 3, 5. Okay, here I go. Team Yellow. I'm Team Yellow. Okay, you can get different kits in the shop. Oh, I see. Okay, so, ooh, wait, wait, hold on. Hello, I gotta do my intro again. Hey guys, Jason here, and welcome to MicroBattles. And, I'm on Team Yellow. And you guys, oh my god, why are you shooting me? And if you guys never heard of this game, which I'm pretty sure you guys have, but if you guys don't know what this game is, you know what, this is like the only game I ever explain. It's 4-corner battle, like MicroBattles. You are stuck in those walls, you get to build, I think you get to build, oh, we started. Oh god, the TNT! They can get, the wall's down, so you gotta defend your, so, you gotta, okay, I'm not messing with you, oh my god, red team just got dominated, just got destroyed. What, I'll just stay here, I'll just pretend that flowing lava's not real, just pretend this. Hey guys, you guys doing okay? Hey, I'm on Team Yellow. I don't have blocks. Yeah. Hey, oh my god! Hey, wanna hit me? No, I'll knock you in the lava. I swear, you got knocked in the lava. Ooh. Blue team! Whoa! Blue team! Oh god. I don't know what teams are still alive. I'm coming for you. No. Is he dead? He's not dead? Oh, come on! Ooh! Team Yellow! Oh my god. This server in MicroBattles is cool. Well, a lot of people want to play MicroBattles now. Hey, let me join! I'm Team Yellow again. What? Okay. Okay, this is a sand map. Hey, Yellow! Hey, wait. Team Green, Team Red. No one's on blue. Oh my god, no one. Wait, why you on my team? Okay. Starting soon. 1. Wall disappearing. Okay. I'm gonna go. Where are they getting blocks? Sir, that's not gonna help. Oh. Whoa! Not again! Not with the TNT! Oh, I see why we need blocks. Whoa, hey! Rude! No! Hey, I'm just gonna... I can't get inside my own... Who's here? Oh my god! You're going down! No! Oh, what the heck? You guys are destroying us with TNT? Where the heck are you getting this TNT? What? I'm going to go to Mineplex. Screw you guys, I'm going to play MicroBattles on Mineplex. We are on Mineplex, and why is it still not loading? Okay, MicroBattle is here. Turf Wars MicroBattle. Okay. This better be better. This better be better. Got it? Yep. Hey, Rainbow Dude! Okay. These just kits. Fighter. Ooh, I don't know how much. 10 seconds! Archer! I'm doing Archer! Okay, I'm Archer. Okay, let's do this! Let's beat these guys up! Small game, big strategy. I would know that if we're... Guys? 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 One game 4. Oh! Hey, guys! No! Game 1. Ooh, why are the glass invisible? Your kit, default. Well, I didn't want to select a kit, okay? I didn't know what's going on with Mineplex MicroBattle, but I'm gonna go on this server's MicroBattle from now on. We have roses, we are surrounded. Guess it's just this annoying one. What's this? Wasco Games, map by Wasco Games. Wasco Treats. How did I find... Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Waiting. Okay, that was... I almost fell in the lava. I just wanted to fight someone. I don't know. Hey, which one of you guys are gonna set up the TNT? Hey! What? Wait, no. No, this is a good thing. No, let him... Ow! What the... Hey. No! Let's evade! Ah! I'm gonna run in circles. And when he least expects it, turn it... Okay, I'm back to their server. Wait, is red team defeated? I can't tell. Guess red team's defeated. I have a plan. Attack! Hey guys! No. No, I can't die here. I just said I can't die here. Oh my god. I think I'll just do one more round. Because that was cool. Come on, green team. Who else is... Oh, you're the last one. Dude, you're so defeated. Dude, hurry, come on. Come on! Do it! Come on! Shady Toaster! You will toast him. Yeah, that's good. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Green team! What are you doing? Hurry! Come on! Green team, come on! Knockback. Mobility. Oh, is that their kit? Green... Hey, Toaster. Hey, Shady Toaster. What are you doing? What is this? Oh, that's not fair. I mean, Okay, guys, it's time for the final round. First round, my team won. Actually, I haven't been keeping track. but it all matters in this last round. Robin joined! It's Christmas. Hey guys, I got you guys a present. Why aren't you guys opening the box? It's TNT. I mean, it's explosive dynamite. I mean, it's cereal. Yeah, everybody likes cereal. These candy canes are weird. Oh, they're nice. They were probably built over. Actually, no, that's still water. I don't know what the heck. Okay. You guys go for red team. I'll go. Okay, don't go for red. Don't go for red. Hey, oh, hey, you can't attack your own teammate. Stop it. Stop it, fools. Stop it. Why? Who keeps exploding everything? What? Why are you on their team? Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, that guy really is a noob. Okay, I don't know what to... Wow, we're gonna battle down there? Oh, that's kind of cheap. Wait, I'm green! Ah! I forgot whose team I was on. No! Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed MicroBattles. Until next time, why are you shooting me? Goodbye!